Hello and welcome. Today, let's discuss some common mistakes people make when drinking lemon water. Lemon juice has many benefits, but it's important to be aware of potential issues. But before we proceed, please use some time to like this video and hit the subscribe button. One benefit is that it can prevent kidney stones. The citrates in lemon juice stop calcium oxalate stones from forming. These are a common type of kidney stone. Drinking lemon juice is a great way to get more citrates and protect your kidneys. It also contains vitamin C. But pasteurized lemon juice may have less vitamin C since heat was used. Companies often add back ascorbic acid, which isn't the full vitamin C. To get the most benefits, squeeze fresh lemon or lime into water. Adding electrolyte powder with stevia improves the taste and gives an electrolyte boost. Lemon juice can also help with allergies. Histamines caused by allergies make mucus and cause fatigue. Lemon juice fights fungal infections and bacteria, so it's a natural option with antibiotics. It may prevent uric acid buildup too, which is good for some types of gout from oxalates. Citrates counteract oxalates that often cause big toe pain. Lemon juice also helps your body absorb iron from food, which is important if you're low in iron. Now let's talk about 4 common mistakes. First, don't drink it right before eating. While citric acid is acidic, it becomes alkaline in your body. This can mess with digestion by neutralizing stomach acid. Drink it 30 minutes to an hour before food. Second, don't drink straight lemon juice. It's very acidic, similar to stomach acid. Drinking undiluted lemon juice regularly can erode tooth enamel. Dilute it and use a straw. Third, avoid it if you have an ulcer or gastritis. The acid can make stomach issues worse with discomfort and burning. If your stomach is inflamed, skip acidic foods. Fourth, don't drink it during alkalosis when your blood pH is too high. Lemon water may worsen symptoms like lightheadedness, numbness, muscle twitches, rapid breathing, and heart palpitations. Keeping oxygen and carbon dioxide balanced is important. Knowing these mistakes can help you get the benefits of lemon water safely without issues. Follow the guidelines and include it as part of a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching until the end. Please share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more news updates.